Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got our Ford Focus right here, MK3 2013 model, and we got the engine light on. We think it's ignition coil, it's missing a little bit. We'll start it guys and we'll let you hear it. So we will just get the basic scanner here, okay, right here, and we'll see what it is. You can just do that with a really cheap one, I think, because it looks like ignition coil, it's missing, you can hear it, and engine light is on. Let me get it to show it. Okay, you can see it stays on. So we're going to connect it, okay, the OBD, okay, port is right there. We have a video if yours is not working, how to fix it guys. Okay, we're gonna turn the key on now, okay, ignition on, and we're waiting for the scanner to contact now and see what the problem is. Okay, connecting right now. It should communicate very soon. Okay, ignition coil C. Okay, see that code P0353. That's for ignition coil cylinder number 3. That's why C, A, B, C, C is the third one. If it's cylinder 2, it will be 353 and ignition coil B, and respectively fourth one will be D, and here will be with a 4. So what we're going to do now guys, show you how to remove it, how to replace it, okay, and see if that's going to fix our problem now. Hopefully it does. I mean, it's pretty simple procedure and ignition coils are not expensive at all. So cylinder 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, that's the third one right there. You need to pull that red thing guys, okay, red thing to the back like that, and you press in, okay, like that. So now we'll need to get an 8mm socket, and we need to remove that bolt right there, okay, and that's the ignition coil loose now. You need to pull it. You'll be stuck a little bit because it has a seal, okay. I think it even got wet. I don't know if it's still bad or not. We'll have a video how to diagnose those, but we'll just get a used one that we have from another parts car. Okay, we have it right there. We have a Focus 4 part, so we built quite a few of those. And you just push it in guys, and make sure it locks good. You hear the click, it's there, it's stuck. Get that bolt tight, just not too tight, I mean, it's a small bolt. Push the wire in all the way until it clicks, and now the red piece in. And we're going to go ahead and reset the code now. What you will need to do, turn the ignition on again, like that. And once it connects guys, you can go ahead and erase the code. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to connect now. Any minute. Okay, let's see. Erase clear ODTC. Erase was successful. So okay, let's see now guys, if we start it, it should be no engine light. Okay, perfect, and the car sounds great. So that fixed our problem guys. Problem solved, super easy. Ignition coil is not expensive at all. No need to go to the mechanic for something simple like that. Save you a couple $100. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.